Hello guys, this is Jarish. I have decided to make a video series about Terraform. In this recording, we'll see what is automation, the difference between imperative and declarative, and understand what is infrastructure as code. Let's assume this is you. You are working in a company as a Windows or a Linux system administrator. Your responsibility is to sometimes connect to a server in your corporate data center and do some configurations. If it is a Windows system, you make configurations in a graphical way. If it is a Linux system, you make configurations by typing commands. This we call it as manual way of doing tasks. Now let's assume you are a cloud administrator. You are connecting to AWS cloud or Azure cloud or any cloud, and you do configuration there. Sometimes you connect to the management console and create resources like creating a virtual machine, or sometimes you create network, storage, etc. This is also considered as manual way of doing tasks. Manual is fine, and for the first time it is good. But if you have a requirement to do tasks either in your local server or on cloud, if it is repeated, then it is a time consuming activity. That's what automation comes into the picture. Automation doesn't mean that what you think will be done in an automated way. So we need to write code either to do configuration within our Windows or Linux system or on the cloud platform. Writing code can be done in two ways. One using the traditional programming languages, and other using modern automation softwares. Programs or script like Bash, PowerShell, Python can be used to do some activities in an automated way within Windows or Linux system or even on cloud. This is one way. The other way is using automation tools like Ansible, Terraform, etc. This I am calling it as automation softwares. Automation means you need to write code either using scripting languages or programming languages or using automation softwares. Now these programs are considered as imperative and these automation softwares are considered as declarative. If it is imperative, if you are doing some tasks, if that has to be written as a code, you need to mention all the step-by-step procedure of what you want to create. That is imperative. But if it is declarative, You need to just mention what you want to create. You don't need to go in a detailed way explaining all the step-by-step process. For example, to reach a destination from a source, let's say if you are taking a cab, you need to inform the cab driver the ways how you want to reach. For example, you are saying that you want to go left, then right, then again left, and again a right. So this is imperative. In declarative, from a source to a destination, if you are again taking a cab, just inform your cab driver to reach the destination. So cab driver takes care and he takes you to the destination. And whether it is imperative or it is declarative, both deals with code. And sometimes modern day, your entire infrastructure is created or managed with the help of code. For example, you are creating a network, you are creating subnets, you are creating network devices, you are creating virtual machines. Traditionally, all the infrastructure were in physical data centers. Nowadays, most of the companies depends upon cloud, and this infrastructure can be created with the help of code. So if you write code to build the infrastructure or manage the infrastructure, that is considered as infrastructure as code.